Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about the most dangerous crypto scams that you must know. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So we all know Bitcoin, right? And as of this year and beyond, there's Bitcoin investment schemes, right? These are fraudulent platforms or offers, promising unrealistic returns on Bitcoin investments. You have rug pull scams, right? In these schemes, developers abandon a project and run away with investors' funds. You have phishing scams. That's the almighty phishing scams. Attackers use fake websites or emails to steal login credentials and access victims' crypto wallets. You have the pump and dump schemes where scammers artificially inflate the price of a cryptocurrency before selling their holdings, leaving other investors with the losses. You have Ponzi schemes, and Ponzi schemes find their way in so many areas, right? And it found its way into crypto. And these are fraudulent investment operations that pay returns to earlier investors using funds from more recent investors. You have romance scams, and scammers build fake romantic relationships to manipulate victims into sending cryptocurrency. Would you ever fall for a romantic scam? Fake, and then you have fake cryptocurrency exchanges, and that's when fraudulent platforms that appear legitimate but are designed to steal users' deposits or gain unauthorized access to their digital assets. Cryptojacking, we know about this, right? That's when malicious actors covertly use victims' computational power to mine cryptocurrencies without their consent. Blockchain-wide attacks is when these target vulnerabilities in blockchain networks themselves. Impersonation scams is where scammers pretend to be legitimate companies, celebrities, or public figures to gain trust of and solicit crypto investments. So to protect themselves, investors should be wary of unsolicited investment offers, verify the legitimacy of trading platforms, use strong security measures, and thoroughly research before investing in any cryptocurrency project. So there are several high-profile Bitcoin and cryptocurrency scams that have resulted in significant financial losses. You have the OneCoin, right? That was founded in 2014 by Dr. Ruja Ignatova. Peter, you could put that name on the screen, so hopefully I'm saying that right. And OneCoin was marketed as a revolutionary cryptocurrency, but turned out to be a Ponzi scheme. The impact was the scam defrauded investors of approximately $25 billion. Yes, that's with the B. The outcome was authorities shut down OneCoin in 2017, and Ignatova disappeared with whereabouts remain unknown. You have the Thodex. The description is a Turkish cryptocurrency exchange launched in 2017 by Faruk. The impact was, he had to fled Turkey, right, in 2021 with over 2 billion from more than 100,000 investors. The outcome is, despite numerous arrests, Ozar has not been found. That's the guy that made that one, right? And then you have the BitConnect. BitConnect was cryptocurrency investment platform. It was one, at least, that promised high returns through a lending program. The impact was it was a Ponzi scheme that defrauded investors of around 4 billion. The outcome was the platform collapsed, and its founder, Satish, was indicted for fraud. You have the Squid token, and it was inspired by Netflix's series Squid Game. This token was marketed as a play-to-earn cryptocurrency. The token's value skyrocketed before plummeting to zero in a classic rug pull scam, resulting in 3.3 million in losses. The outcome was the developers disappeared and no one has been held accountable. Could you imagine? And that's one of these scams here, is that a lot of times these people, they go unnoticed. They don't get, arrested or whatever. You have the Quadriga CX, once Canada's leading cryptocurrency exchange. It was revealed to be fraudulent. The impact was Gerald Cotton allegedly died with the only access to 250 million worth of cryptocurrencies. And the outcome was many believe Cotton faked his death and the funds remain inaccessible. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. You have CentraTech, and that was founded in 2017. CentraTech falsely claimed to offer a cryptocurrency debit card and other financial products. The scam defrauded investors by selling unregistered securities and making false claims about partnerships with major financial institutions. The outcome was the founders were arrested and convicted of fraud. So that is that. But now let's talk about some notorious phishing scams, right? So you can understand these stories and kind of compare to what you may want to do, right? You have the Electrum wallet phishing attack. In 2018, hackers created fake versions of the popular Electrum Bitcoin wallet software. When users opened these fake wallets, they were prompted to enter their private keys, allowing the attackers to steal millions in Bitcoin. You have the My Ether wallet DNS hijacking. In 2018, hackers redirected traffic from myetherwallet.com to a phishing site by hijacking the domain name system. Users who visited the fake site and entered their private keys had their funds stolen. You have Binance API key phishing. Scammers created fake Binance login pages to steal users' API keys, allowing them to place unauthorized trades on victims' accounts. You have the Ledger data breach phishing, right? After Ledger's customer database was breached in 2020, scammers used the leaked information to send convincing phishing emails asking users to update their hardware wallets, stealing funds in the process. You have Twitter Bitcoin giveaway scam. In 2020, hackers compromised high-profile Twitter accounts like Elon Musk's and used them to promote fake Bitcoin giveaways, tricking people into sending Bitcoin to scam addresses. So to protect yourself from crypto phishing scams, always double check website URLs and email sender addresses. Never enter private keys or seed phrases on websites. Use hardware wallets and two-factor authentication. Can't stress that enough. Two-factor authentication. Be wary of unsolicited messages or too good to be true offers. Only download wallet software from official sources. So here, I'm gonna try and squeeze in some here. Here are some of the most notorious fake cryptocurrency exchanges that have scam users. You have the BitKRX. This fake exchange posed as a cryptocurrency arm of South Korea's legitimate Korea exchange, the KRX. It lured investors by leveraging KRX reputation, but users discovered their funds had vanished when they tried to access them. You have Comid, right? Another South Korean fake exchange run by two men who were arrested for scamming investors. They lured customers to purchase cryptocurrencies and spread false information about token listings. You have Coinbit, the third largest cryptocurrency exchange in South Korea at the time, was seized by police after reports found that 99% of its transaction volume was fake. OneCoin, while not strictly an exchange, OneCoin was one of the biggest crypto scams ever. We talked about it, but it gets deeper than just one, phase or perspective. Okay, it was promoted as a cryptocurrency and it was one of the largest Ponzi schemes. That scam was shut down in 2017, with its leaders arrested and founder disappearing. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you in the next video.